Alright folks, let's dive straight into the world of high-performance gaming monitors. Today we're talking about the AOC Q27G4K, a true game changer. Are you tired of gaming monitors that look like disco balls? All RGB, no real speed? Then meet the AOC Q27G4K, a 27-inch QHD beast with a jaw-dropping 400 Hz refresh rate. Yeah, 400 Hz. This thing is built for one thing, pure performance, no gimmicks, no distractions, just blistering speed and clean pro-level visuals. Let's break it down. You're looking at a 27-inch QHD IPS panel with 400 Hz refresh via DisplayPort 1.4 or HDMI 2.1, a 1 millisecond GTG response time, and an even faster 0.3 millisecond MPRT mode. It's got FreeSync, Adaptive Sync, and HDR 400 for punchy highlights, even if it's edge-lit. It's got FreeSync, Adaptive Sync, and HDR 400 for punchy highlights, even if it's edge-lit. This is the kind of monitor made for rank grinders. Whether it's Valorant, CS2, or Fortnite, you'll feel every frame, instantly. And it's not just fast, it's smart. Built-in tools like FPS counter, shadow control, motion blur reduction, and low-input lag mode give you every competitive edge. Comfort? Totally dialed in. You get 130mm of height adjustment, tilt, swivel, pivot, even VESA mount support, so it fits any desk, any setup, any vibe. Ports? Covered. There's a headphone jack, a Kensington lock, and it even ships with a DisplayPort cable in the box. But no built-in speakers, because if you're gaming at this level, you're already using a headset. And the design? It's clean. Minimal. Zero RGB nonsense. Just raw, high-performance gear for gamers who care about winning, not flashing lights. But no built-in speakers, because if you're gaming at this level, you're already using a headset. And the design? It's clean. Minimal. Zero RGB nonsense. Just raw, high-performance gear for gamers who care about winning, not flashing lights. So if you're done with gimmicks and want a display that's actually built to game, the AOC Q27G4K, yeah, this is the one. Stay tuned for pricing and availability. It's coming soon. Subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss when this 400 HZ monster drops. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments. Would you game at 400 HZ?